Guys, welcome back to a new video. My name is Leslie. If you're new here, what's up? Hope you hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you like vlogs, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Today is Monday. Feliz lunes a todos. We got ready early today, and that makes me really excited. I did not work out today because I went hard yesterday. Sunday I did glutes and I'm super sore. I feel like I should let my body rest today, and instead I focused on getting ready, filming some content for Instagram, and I had to run to Walgreens to pick up my prescription. And now it is time to fold clothes because I have a mess back here. Kai is down for his nap, and that's when mommy gets to finish and film content. So that's what we have left to do today, guys. I want to focus on cleaning up the house basically, and I'm also gonna make pizza dough with you guys. I found this recipe by Natashas kitchen. I'm sure you guys have heard of her. She's really popular on YouTube and Facebook, and she did this pizza dough recipe, and I've used it a couple times. I want to say like 3 times I've made it already here at home, and we love it, you guys. It's like the best pizza dough, like just like homemade authentic pizza style pizza. So I'm gonna make that so we can have pizza tomorrow. That's the only thing that sucks. Like the dough has to stay in the fridge overnight and can be used like the next day, but whatever, like it's fine. I'm gonna make it today so we can have it tomorrow for pizza night. And today I think I'm gonna make pescado frito, just like some fried fish that my father-in-law brought us that he caught and fried. So stick around for that. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's go ahead and start folding clothes because it's not gonna fold itself, sadly. I am making lunch, but I'm putting up everything I bought at Walgreens, and I actually picked up these 2 little drugstore finds. I wanted to share them real quick. This Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil, because I'm actually out and I was like, let me just try it. I'm already here at Walgreens, and this is from Wet n Wild, and I think it was like $3. So I got that in the color medium brown. I hope it works out. And then the next thing I got was this eyeliner. Not gel, but you know what I'm talking about, like the pens. Those are my favorite, like they were the little pens. And I saw Wet n Wild had this one, and it says it's waterproof liquid liner. I want to see if it's as good as the Beauty Bakery. I love that one, but it got dry so fast on me. So yeah, I got these 2 things. So I got those 2 things at Walgreens. I'm making some soup. My sister ordered me these soups from Amazon, and they taste really good. They have really good flavor. These are the vegetable flavor. I like them. They have enough flavor, like what is it, chicken flavor. So I like these. I like to add in some mushrooms into the soup. I buy shiitake dried mushrooms, so let me show y'all real quick. So they just gotta like get rehydrated. So for the soup, basically I just let the mushrooms hydrate back in the water. I get them at HEB, but I'm sure you can find them anywhere at any grocery store. And then I like to add in a little bit of green onion, some cilantro, just to give the water more flavor, because sometimes I feel bad adding the whole packet of seasoning when I'm making sopitas like this, because I know they're so high in sodium, and I swear the next day I'll be so inflada. Like my face, my stomach looks like I'm freaking 3-4 months pregnant, but they're so good. So every once in a while, this is a good lunch that I do like to have. So definitely try it out, you guys. So the pizza recipe is asking for 1/3 of a cup of flour, which I don't have those measurement cups, so I had to Google it. And it says to use 5 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon to get 1/3 of a cup. So let's do that, because so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's probably enough. All right. And then, oh, my tea water is ready. Having some tea, you know what I'm saying? I'm having this Pure Life green tea with mint. A little green tea just to like detoxify. It's really bomb. And awesome, this recipe actually calls for honey in the flour. So I'm gonna go ahead and add honey to my water. My hot steaming water. Perfect. I freaking love tea so much, you guys. I wish I could have a really nice tea organizer. That would be awesome. I just have a little tea drawer, but and I'm just gonna let this steep while my soup is still cooking, because those mushrooms, they need to not marinate, but they need to soak in the water for at least 30 minutes so they puff up. So the mushrooms, they need to cook for like 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, so they get softened and puff up. So that's why they're not ready. The recipe also calls for some warm water. So now I need to do 3 cups of flour. For the pizza dough recipe, you guys, I'm going to be linking it down below. That way you can follow step by step with the original creator of the recipe. That way, you know, you get everything that you need. Here, I'm just going to be sharing with you guys me making it at home. This is probably like the 4th time I've made this pizza dough, and my family does enjoy it. The baby loves it, my husband loves it, and I like that I can make it at home. So I hope this motivates you to just try new things at home, and let me know if you do try it out how it came out. Who woke up? Hi guys. Who woke up from their nappy nap? He just woke up, guys, from his nap. I want to show you guys. So I changed up his room. I totally forgot. Let me show y'all. It's okay to show me your room. Oh, caritas. Show me your room. So you guys, I was just changing him, so that's why there's clothes over there. But I changed his room out. There used to be a huge rocking chair that took up literally this whole space, because the rocking chair would be like right there, and then that's just the footer. I didn't want it out here, so I would hide it here, and there was always just that corner with nothing in it. So we decided to take out the rocking chair, and I said, you know what? The footrest is big enough to just still be a little rocker for, you know, Kai's room that I could use for like story time and just for us to chill, you know, to put him down. And then when I was moving everything around, I realized that his huge toy box that we have in the living room fits perfect in his room. So I brought some foam, just like 2 little foam tiles. That way, if he does want to play in here, he can bring his toys out in here. And yeah, it's totally fine for him to bring his toys out in the living room, which he still does. But this makes me feel better that it's in one place, and now it's in his room, and he's starting to have a big boy room. So it's cute. You like your big boy room? So it looks cute. So that, like I said, this is just the little glider for the footrest glider, and I put it in that corner because it was huge. And then this is the toy box my mother-in-law gave me, and it worked out. So His room looks really made a big... Those small changes really made a big difference, honestly, in his room. It already feels more open, and I noticed he loves having access to the window, so that's awesome. Okay, let's go get some nuts. Because I know he's hungry too. If I'm hungry, he's hungry. I'm gonna make him some lunch real quick. And then we're gonna eat, because he doesn't eat the little soups. I don't know why. I don't think he likes the texture of the soup. But I have some asparagus that we cooked yesterday and some potatoes. I'm gonna cook that up for him with some shrimp. And that's what we're gonna eat for lunch. Ooh, happy mail, guys. From, can you see that? Last Dreams. Love this. Got Muse. It looks super cute. Jeannie. And then this one was Divine. And Gem. I needed some lashes and I'm so happy. So I just added in, I'm sorry, I thought I was recording, the seasoning packet, the vegetable mix into the soup. It's ready. Y'all know. Okay guys, so I'm whispering because Kai is sleeping. He's taking his second nap of the day. And I'm about to start cooking dinner right now. It's 5 o'clock. But remember that dough that we made? You know, pizza for tomorrow. You know, prepping for tomorrow. It's already doubled in size. Like, look how huge it got. So, in the video, she's saying now that it's doubled in size, we're gonna basically make 2 pizza balls out of this. And we're gonna put them in the fridge and let them basically keep proofing in the fridge. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna start flouring my surface and getting these balls ready. That way I can start on dinner and hopefully have dinner ready by the time my husband gets home. Ooh, this lash is like poking my eye so bad, you guys. Like in the corner, I need to cut them a little bit more. They're too long. But anyways, that is what we're doing. I have my oil here ready for whenever I do the fish fry. Yeah, so anyways, let me go ahead and start on the dough. So after the dough has doubled in size, this is an easy part. You're just going to start dividing the dough into 2 pizza dough balls, and then you're just gonna basically be folding them in. Super soft here, you guys. This is just going to create a nice smooth dough ball, and then we're just gonna leave it in the fridge and let it do its thing. This is the part that kind of sucks. Like, we have to wait a whole day for it to be ready, but trust me, it's definitely gonna be worth it. And then here, you guys, I'm just gonna be greasing a little some bowls with olive oil, a light olive oil. We're just gonna grease it, that way the dough ball doesn't get stuck in there for the next day when it's ready to be eaten. I really wish I would have had more videos of the pizza at the end, but I totally forgot to record the ending of what the pizza looked like. But if you are for my Instagram or for my Snapchat fam, you saw it. You guys love how my pizza came out. And honestly, the pizza from this point on just goes super quick. You're just gonna start shaping the pizza dough, and then you're gonna be kneading it through your hands. And I kept the ingredients for the pizza super easy, you guys. I just used a little can of marinara sauce that I had, basically some pizza sauce, or not pizza sauce, but like spaghetti sauce. And I bought some pepperoni, some mozzarella, the creamy melt. That's my favorite one because I feel like it actually melts really, really nice, like mozzarella should. And then I also did a spinach one, and I used Alfredo sauce for that one, and I put mozzarella and frozen spinach. You guys, that one tasted amazing. And I did season my crust as well, as you will see later on in this video. I just put like some garlic and a little bit of black pepper on it, just so it can have some more flavor in case I felt like I needed it. I've heard some people like to brush a little olive oil on the crust or butter and then bake it. You could try that as well. But like I said, do whatever you want. Just try it out. Tell me how you will like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.